Brown say a couple of words as well. My name is Jedediah, and I'm an activist from the south side of Chicago. And I came out here not to speak, but to stand with this family. But since I am speaking, I want to say first off that it's beautiful how the west side of Chicago is together. I can feel the love in this circle. We cannot lose that, and it can't be momentary. But I also want to say, and what I will echo the sentiment to our superintendent. You're going on a listening tour around the city of Chicago, so I need you to listen to this. You've lost my confidence, and you've lost my trust. And I speak on behalf of young people in the streets because your comment timing was insensitive and it was uncalled for. So look at this. The community is standing together with the Brown family. We're out here, and do us a favor. Apologize and resign.
Amen.
I don't know the pain of losing a family member, but I told this father something, and this ain't for the cameras, this to us. I didn't come on the south side, on the west side, because I needed to be seen. We got to stand behind this father, and we have to be with him through the process of grieving the loss of his child. And that means that when the camera's gone, we got to make sure he has everything that he needs, that this family needs to get through this.
That's right. That's right.
And another thing I love is this multicultural unity that's here. We're only conquered when we're divided.
That's right.
And today, if nothing else, I want violence to get a strong message. You may have been tough on Chicago, but we're tougher together. And to the one who perpetrated the crime, I forgive you as a pastor, but I want you to understand, I pray that God don't let you sleep. And that this child be in your face and in your dreams and in your heart, and that you turn yourself in like a real man or a real man. And I want the Father to know that we got your back.
Yes, we do.
And every label that was put on your back, the community takes it off. We the people stand behind this family, and we want justice for Amari Brown.
That's right. That's right.
And to the official, to Emmanuel, say this to you as well. We gave you another chance, man. There's too much pain in this city. Y'all can't solve violence, so do us a favor. Give us what we asked for. If he don't resign, fire him. Thank you all.